Good morning, everybody. And today I'm here in connection with the shifting of two branches, extension of branch, and celebration of our Golden Jubilee celebration of our Sikandrabad branch, which has completed 50 years. So on this occasion, I wish my Hyderabad zone a good success in their endeavors. Of course, Hyderabad zone, they are doing very well. In Andhra Pradesh, we have more than 500 outlets, including 194 branches, 236 ATMs, and 75 BCs. So total more than 500 we have outlets to. We have really a good presence in Andhra Pradesh, where we are more than, as far as credit growth is concerned, we have a CD ratio is 141%, which is just nearly double the national figures. So both the zones, Visakhapatnam zone as well as Hyderabad zone, they are doing very well in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and I'm sure they will be doing, and they are meeting all requirements of the borrowers and depositors. They have different schemes. Of course, we are meeting all SME, agriculture and retail customers. This year, about 2014-15, have been a thrust year for SME as well as agriculture and retail loans. With this, I wish them all the best. And of course, this is but slight thing is that my appeal to all of my customers and prospective customers is that we should make use of IT-enabled products which bank has popularized. Today, all kind of alternative channels are available with Bank of India, like internet banking, ATMs, credit cards, and even payment of taxes and other commercial taxes, electricity bills and all those through our internet banking, which is feasible. We have added Bank of India is one of the banks which is authorized to do commercial taxes, collection of commercial taxes. My all branches in state of Andhra Pradesh, they are accepting this commercial taxes. So my appeal to all of you is that you please take use of it more and more and take full convenience out of it and take full utilization of the things. With this, I wish all my customers, thank you very much for giving us support to Bank of India in our endeavors and giving us, our business has grown with your support and all, nearly more than 25,000 crores in the state of Andhra Pradesh. So my thanks to my all esteemed customers and prospective customers for their use. We have, in our area, we have given a thrust for education loans. My instruction and our bank's instructions are that all education loans should be given to each and every aspirant who is a good meritorious student and otherwise who is desirous of studying anywhere, either in India or abroad. We are giving them the loans. We have a different schemes for premier institutions where loan amounts can go up to 15 lakhs, for abroad 20 lakhs, and all for other Indian establishments it's 10 lakhs which we can go. Of course, our norms are up to 4 lakhs. There is no security. From 4 lakh to 7.5 lakh, it is a third party guarantee, and beyond 7.5 lakh, of course, collateral securities are required. And I'm proud to say that in this area, Bank of India got last year as #1 provider, education loan provider to different students. And we have a lot of tie-ups in this area with the institutions to provide education loans. And of course, all students who are meritorious and who are desirous of availing any loans are more than welcome. We definitely relish and appreciate their business with us. No, definitely no. That's it. When the state will is number of outlets, of course, we have. I have told you more than 500 outlets. So presence is all over there. So it may be bifurcation, but slightly that will not affect much banking business. So, but definitely will be part of the development process which is going to take place in the bifurcated or two states. So definitely will be part of it, and will be providing all supporting services, economic growth, part of the economic growth. Yeah, we are planning to open more than 30 branches in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and out of that, in at least 20 to 25, more than 25% will be in the unbanked areas, and rural area. Major thrust is rural and semi-urban areas we are providing. And of course, agriculture advances and all those we are providing to everybody. We have a very good percentage of agriculture in the state, which is more than 30% in this state. So priority sector is also very good area. So we are thrust area for, as I told you earlier, my SME and agriculture is our thrust area for financing this year.